Did you get a new toy? What'd you get?
So last week we had to say goodbye to our sweet foster girl, Layla. Her new dad, her new adopter, drove all the way from Michigan to pick her up. So we know now that we made the perfect choice in a new home for her because she is loving life and loving her new toys and just living the dream. So check this out and you can actually see the first time that they met. There's Layla. Were you at the back of the property?
Yeah, it must have been. And then I tried to put it back in my phone, and it didn't.
Oh, it didn't work.
I just drove, that's why I saw it under.
Look at this.
I have waited for you. I have waited so long. Oh. You act like a new.
What a good girl.
You got the medals on the floor.
I'm curious as to what's going on.
And you break the
She didn't really love men too much. Oh, she likes you and your treats though.
Yeah, you got treats.
When she first came here,
Layla, you look prettier than your collar. Yes, you do. Oh, I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
I will send lots of pictures.
thank you. I mean, let's line up. Come on. Oh yeah. Her loves to ride. Let's go. We go.
Let's go.
All right. Bye. This part is always the most painful, watching them drive off. You hope that they know that you're doing the best thing for them, but you don't know. You don't know what they know or don't know, but we did make the perfect choice, and now I feel great about it. But at this moment, I was really, really, really sad, and I was just hoping that I made the right decision. Well, it's been a little over 2 weeks now, and Layla is doing so well in her new home. Here she is chewing on some of her new Kong toys. Her new dad, Carl, is a disabled combat veteran. He's an ex-Marine, and he is going to have Layla be his new service dog to help with PTSD and some anxiety. And so here she is in her new adorable service dog vest.
Did you get a new toy? What'd you get?
Layla gets to be the only dog in the home and the only pet in the home, so she gets all the attention, all the new toys, all the best treats, and so as you can see, she's really loving life. Here's a great photo with her and her new dad, Carl. They make a really great pair. As you can see, we loved Layla so much, and we were so sad to see her go. We loved hugging her and holding her and giving her all the attention, but now we know she's getting all of that from her new dad, and like I said, she's the only dog in the home, so she is really loving life. We love you, Layla. We can't wait to see the new adventures that you and your dad have planned for this upcoming year.
You saw us heading downtown last week doing some measuring for neon sign going up. And this week we got the sign finished and installed, and we'd like you to check it out. It's at Marathon Music Village. Village Merch is the name of the business it's going into, and he has purchased a few neons from us and other signs. He likes to really dress up his store with neon, so here's the video of the install of that sign. We're about 3 months out on neon signs, so this didn't happen in a couple days. This happened over 3 or 4 weeks building this neon sign. So just wanted to let you know that. You got to show me what the middle is.
Can you maybe help hold it? Yes, it is. It's perfectly in the middle.
Looks like you just made the team. Turn is cold.
Everyone has different reasons for needing a security system. The bad guys out there, our protection, already not.
Right. I just got a great picture for you. Rise to stand under. Oh yeah. I mean, that's gonna be a photo op right there.
I love that. Just doing a little yard cleanup and getting rid of a bunch of leaves and debris.
They're cute.
Here are some new baby chicks that I hatched in, I think my last video I was showing them coming out of the incubator. They're getting up there, they're getting bigger. And then I just found out that this beautiful chicken is actually a rooster, and he has just learned to crow, and his crow is pretty funny. The other crows that you hear in the background are from my Polish chickens, and they almost sound like they're laughing, which is pretty hysterical. I'm going to try to get a video of them doing their crow as well. And then here we have Gertie. She was the sick chicken that I kept separated back in the summer that I did quite a few videos about, and her leg is just sort of a bum leg. Alright, so I am currently out hunting my guineas. They have decided that they don't want to stay in the barnyard anymore, and they pretty much just go out into our woods. So I just want to make sure that they're okay, and let's just see what they're up to. I have to say they're really, really interesting birds. There's really nothing else like a guinea. They're really odd, funny creatures. Here we have my two adorable Bantam roosters, Timmy and Tommy. And then here are a few of my beautiful hens free ranging. They're so pretty. The black and white one is called a barred rock. I have several different varieties of hens now. We're gonna see how my time lapse went off last night. All right, I'm gonna check my time lapse video and let's see what we got. Check this out. Rainy Friday, and I'm taking the dogs out while I can because it's just been pouring all day. So we're gonna try to get them out so they get a little exercise while there's a little bit of a break in the rain.
She's biting the bubbles. Look at this cool little area to play at. All these cool places for them to run and play. Hey, we really appreciate you all subscribing to our videos and supporting us and sharing them with all your friends, because every time somebody else sees it, there's a possibility that they'll share it, and the more shares, the more people watch our videos. It's the best for our rescue. It benefits our animals. So please subscribe, please share, like our videos.